Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to find the template for the brochures you're going to be creating in your classes. You're going to go to Office 365 and sign in. Click on Word. When you're in Word, you'll see this here. It says More Templates to the right. If you click on More Templates and scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see Explore More Templates. So over to the left, you'll see Browse by Category. When you look here, you'll see a link for brochures. Now, when you look at these different templates, you'll see that some of them open in PowerPoint, some of them open in Word, and they also give you a bunch of different choices. There's a couple pages. So I'm going to go over to this top one here, to the trifold brochure. It says it's going to open in PowerPoint. When you open some of them, you'll have either two options or one. I like this one that says Edit in Browser because it will automatically prompt you to save it in your OneDrive. Okay. Thought I was signed in, sorry. Okay, so it'll tell you the business trifold brochure will be saved to your OneDrive for business. Continue. And once it's in there, you're just going to go ahead and rename it so you know what it's called. So you would rename it by going up to the top, and you could name it whatever. I'll just name mine Waterfall. I don't know why. But you'll see that it will save that in your documents. Then you can upload it or move it to your science folder. This is the front of the brochure. This is the back of the brochure. You could change out the pictures. You could change out quotes. You could change out anything here. And they also give you some ideas. Remember, this is a business brochure, but it gives you some ideas of what you can put in each of the sections. Now, if we go back to Word, I'm just going to show you what happens if you don't have the choice to save it online. So I'm going to go to More Templates. Oh, there's the bell. I'm going to go all the way down here, Explore All Templates. Then I'm going to go to Browse by Category and hit Brochures. So if I don't have the option to save it right to my OneDrive, I'm sure you all know how to do this, but you're going to download the template. And then you'll be able to open it once it finishes downloading. And then you will, sorry about that, you will go on and you will save it in your OneDrive. Okay, it's a little slow today with the internet. I know, that's a shock. So you're going to click on, let me get rid of this, Enable Editing, and you're going to save it to your OneDrive. Save as OneDrive. And then you could name it whatever you want. I'll name this one Waterfall 2. Save it. So now if I go into my OneDrive, oops, that's not the right one. Sorry. If I go into my OneDrive, I should see both Waterfall and Waterfall 2. Sorry, it's a little slow. So here they are, Waterfall and Waterfall 2. So those are the two ways that you can save them. Okay, thank you.